Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry I have to be a little bit quiet, my girlfriend's still asleep. It's 7 in the morning right now. But anyways, I'm gonna make myself some coffee real quick and then we're gonna hop into the car and we're gonna head straight down to Tech to go pick up materials for the Supra. So this is we can get that started. But yeah, let's get it. So they just brought out the purple. This color is super dope. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's like black in the shade and then purple inside the sun. What up, bro? Yo, you could pull it right here, bro. Shit's sick. First drop off at the new warehouse. We got a Toyota Supra. Sheesh. This thing is bad.
You never see them, dude.
No, they're rare. You just had it tuned, huh?
No, you know what? It's still on the same tune from the previous owner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And it makes like what, 600?
It's 705.
Fat ass tire. All right, guys. So the first thing that we need to do to the Supra is to go ahead and remove the bottom panels, such as this, the little bottom side skirt area. There's a couple of 10s running all along the bottom boards. I'm gonna go ahead and remove. Once those are removed, we'll go ahead and put together the quick jack that we have chilling over there. And then from there, we'll go ahead and raise the car. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to day 2 on the Toyota Supra. So today we are going to be removing everything on the car just to where we need it so we can start the vinyl wrap. As far as this morning, I went ahead and came in. I moved the Supra at an angle just so that this way I have a little bit more room as far as recording. And then, yeah, as far as that, we're going to get right into disassembly. So we'll be removing the front bumper, the headlights, mirrors, door handles. We'll be removing the wing as well, the rear bumper, and the tail lights. But that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod and let's get it. All right guys, so the Supra is ready to go, clay bar detailed. We're going to be starting off first with the door, and then we'll be working our way around. So we'll be moving on to the fender, hood, fender, and then door. So since we're gonna be working with the Tech, I thought it'd be cool to go ahead and make a DIY series with the whole car. So I will be walking you guys through how to wrap the door, the fenders, bumpers, quarter panels, wing, etc. In a separate YouTube videos for those of you guys that wanna stay tuned. But yeah, so I'm going to go and set you guys on the tripod and let's get it. Alright guys, so I just finished up the driver door. Came out super good. You guys can see that reflection's absolutely insane. Now that the driver door is done, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the driver's side fender. So let's go ahead and hop right onto this. I'm going to give it one final wipe down. I'll set you guys up and let's get her done. you guys see when the hood is closed, it's nice and consistent right here. So that's exactly what we want. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to be finishing off the quarter panel on the Toyota Supra. We're going to go ahead and hop right into it, but before we do, I do have to go ahead and do some minor sanding right here at the edge. The whole car was actually resprayed about a couple years ago, but I did notify the owner just to go ahead and let him know that I will be doing some sanding on the edges. I can wrap with it, but I think more than likely the paint and the clear coat will come up, so I'd rather just be safe than sorry, since we're going to be wrapping the quarter panel all in one piece. So what I mean by one piece is that it doesn't have a break-off point up here, so it actually wraps around the whole top of the car going onto the passenger side. So we will be wrapping from the bottom of the quarter panel down here, so basically wheel to wheel, and it measures out to 11 feet. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. We'll start sanding, and then we'll go ahead and give it a quick wipe down, and yeah, we're going to get started. Alright guys, so basically what I did with my finger right now was just I went ahead and traced everything out, or I went ahead and traced the trunk out, so that this way when I trim, I kind of have like a guideline so you guys can see where I need to trim at. So now that the quarter panel is finished, we're going to go ahead and hop onto the trunk. So yesterday I ended up removing the wing as well the emblem and the light, just so that this way it makes our life easier when we go ahead and tuck everything. And then I did also clean all of the edges underneath the trunk just to make sure that when we're tucking, we're not going to have any issues with it lifting. Alright guys, so I just finished up the rear trunk to the Toyota Supra. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes or so. I did have some minor issues, but it was just with the adhesive lines, and I was able to go ahead and get those all out. As you guys can see, everything looks really nice and good. So today we're going to be going over the front bumper to the Toyota Supra. Before we actually get to wrapping or doing any type of inlays, we do have to sand the inner corners where the mouth is. So now I did contact the owner. I let him know that I did have to sand everything. You guys can see the paint is just, it's super horrible. Whoever painted it did such a crappy job. They even painted over one of the zip ties right here, which is just ridiculous. You guys can see. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get these sanded up really quickly. Once these are sanded, we do have to do some inlays. So we have to put some inlays right here where the fog light goes. We'll have an inlay up here where the mouth is as well. And then same thing with that side. So. Alright guys, so I just finished up the front bumper to the Supra. Everything came out super good. Before I get out of here, I'll go ahead and get some final videos for you guys. But as far as that, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another day here at the shop. Today we're going to go ahead and finish up the rear bumper to the Toyota Supra. The last couple of weeks I've actually been shooting DIYs on the car, so I included the rear quarter panel, the doors, the fenders, including the front bumper. So if you guys scroll back onto my YouTube channel, you guys will find those videos, and those are actually a little bit longer of the videos, so if you guys are learning to wrap, feel free to check those out. But as far as today, we're going to go ahead and shoot a normal vlog, meaning we're going to be finishing up a majority of the Supra. So what's left on the car is just the rear bumper, passenger door. We have the two smaller side skirts, which are underneath the door right here, and then we obviously have the wing as well, the roof. But as far as today, our main focus is just the rear bumper. All of these smaller pieces are easy to do. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and set you guys my tripod, and let's go ahead and knock this one out. Alright guys, so I just finished up the rear bumper to the Supra. Everything came out super good. All of the inlays are blending in very well. You can barely even tell that they're there. I did have some issues pulling the knifeless tape, but I was able to work everything out. So the transmission's leaking oil, so he's worried about driving it. But yeah, when he dropped it off, there was a lot of oil in the back, so he ended up spraying his truck. Talk about traffic, yo. Look at this guy. Y'all crazy.